Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill property tax online in Pune. First, navigate to the official Pune Municipal Corporation property tax website. Once there, look for and click on the online payment or pay property tax option. This is your gateway to a convenient and efficient payment process. Make sure you have your property identification details, such as your account number, readily available for the next steps. Next, you will need to accurately input your property's specific details. This includes information such as your PEth, section, and account number. After entering these, the system will display the property owner's details. It is crucial to carefully verify this information to ensure it is correct. Finally, confirm the property tax amount that is due for payment before proceeding. Now it is time to choose your payment method. The Pune Municipal Corporation offers several secure options, including net banking, debit cards, credit cards, and Unified Payments Interface, or UPI. Select the one that is most convenient for you. Before finalizing, ensure your mobile number and email address are correctly entered and verified. This ensures you receive important transaction updates and confirmations. After selecting your payment method, proceed to complete the transaction through the secure payment gateway. Upon successful payment, you will receive an instant confirmation message on your screen. This confirms that your property tax has been paid. Remember to download and save your official payment receipt for your records. This document serves as proof of your property tax payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.